And they're up. Dancing tight, moving up. Una mujer on the outside. Bahala na, Senor Cricket. Delgado is on the outside as they race towards the last 600. Una mujer dancing tight, almost as one this time. Delgado moving up on the outside. Then racing in fourth, Senor Cricket. Bahala na comes next, followed by Yes Joey. Then on the outside, Ideal View as they turn for home. Una mujer running at the center, dancing tight is by the rail. Delgado is on the outside. Delgado, una mujer dancing tight is by the rail with 100 meters more to run. Delgado over una mujer dancing tight, Senor Cricket. And finally, Delgado. Senor Cricket, una mujer, then comes Dancing Tight, number 13, Ideal View, and yes, Joey, for your Super Sais.